Hello everybody, lowkeyfunny here, back in another video. Right now I'm going to the Aberdeen Farm. I'm pretty sure this is where that incest happens. I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna let them rob me, hog tie them, and then take them where I want to take them. Oh shit. Fucking horse, bro. Don't die. Come on. Thank you. Thank you, big girl. Here. Here. You're good. You're okay. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. This horse sometimes glitches out. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see. Wait, let's get... We don't want two shotguns. We'll just get... No, wait, fuck it. This shotgun and then fucking cattleman. Fuck, I'm gonna have to wait for that to finish. Oh, that's not that good of a train, actually. The good ones, I'll make a robbing a train video in a little bit, but the good ones, they have the fucking passengers and 2 safes on it. Yeah. So, I robbed one, and now I have $800. Maybe I fucking had 40 or some shit, 400. So, I'm pretty sure that's a pretty good fucking method. You just lose a lot of honor, but there's no bounties, so... can make that for you guys, don't worry. How far are we? Oh shit, we're coming up on it. I'm getting nervous. What is that? Oh, that's a pig. Oh! I'm nervous! Ew. Let's go in. I wish we could do this again.
Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here. Well, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat?
Oh, fuck, I'm so scared right now.
Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming?
Because I heard this happen in real life.
Oh, now you know you look.
They're brother and sister, so this is fucking weird, man.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff.
I don't go to people's houses that don't have the fucking
then.
shoes on, so...
I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you
So
gonna
he knows
turn
something
down
bad's
a hot
gonna happen.
meal and good company?
He's fucking rejecting it himself.
I'll go open that bottle.
Okay. Oh shit, I need to get my weapons. Cause when these bitches rob me, bro, I better be fucking ready. Cause I'm gonna hog tie him, leave him here. Fucking hog tie her and take her to that fucking pit that she fucking leaves people.
I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Why don't you go check on her? She's your fucking wife, apparently.
She won't listen to me.
Can I fuck her instead of you fucking her?
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
I'm about to rob the fuck out of this place, bro. You don't even know. Alright, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna close my door so you guys don't hear a whole bunch of background noise. There we go. Leave your door open. How do you feel? I would never do that in real life. I would think that's fucking rude. Oh my god.
She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair.
Who do you think you are? You were sucking dick for a foreign car.
This is just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could
Oh
last
my god, he's so
forever.
fucking ugly.
Well, like I said, I can't stay
She's
for
hot.
long.
Now look at us.
I'm kidding.
Like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins. I hope you
Oh
boys
my
left
God,
some
he's
room
so
in your trousers.
That smells delicious.
She's thick.
The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Yeah. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Oh my god.
But we still got
Fucking
each other.
killed
Ain't
them.
that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog killing time.
He's like, what the fuck? You guys are brother and
That's for
sister?
you. There.
Oh, fuck ass, no.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
After that, I could too. No, I'm playing.
Woo-hoo! That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on.
Fuck it. Fuck it. I want to get robbed.
What the hell is that? It's an old Aberdeen home recipe. That one right there is in 1894.
Feels like someone stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a lie down.
Ah, what the hell?
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, about time. And take whatever cat she has on her and put it behind Mama.
That's her mom? She's fucking ugly. You guys fucked up. $0? Oh my god. Oh fuck no. $0 fucking dollars? Oh my god. 18. God, bro.
Those crazy sons of...
Where's the marker?
Bitches got some explaining to do.
Oh wait. Oh my god, they're so fucking bad, bro. Who the fuck takes prisoners, fucking leaves them in a hole, robs them, fucking leaves them with all their money and shit? Let's see.
You.
There we go.
Oh, you're a bitch.
Whoa! Stop it! I ain't a damn hog!
How the hell did you... Oh, it don't matter. I'll make sure you're dead this time.
Am I the dead one?
Ray! No!
Fucking bitches.
You animal!
Alright, let's go.
Now I still got my money to get, boy. Drop that bitch.
You're gonna pay, you bastard!
You're the one who... Oh my god, you're dumb. And that ain't a mom. That's a fucking guy. Shut the fuck up and give me your fucking money. What do you think this is? Let me go do Joe poor asses robbing people. Better keep this lasso clipped and then or else shit gets loose.